Two birds told me so, together in breath conspiring. Storyseeds and mythsticks, nested wordplay and archetypal threads, listening to the lore of birds and serpents, stories appearing on the bridge of our gnosis, Ouroboros' remembrances, tales of lore and longings, African folklore's tales of ancient lovebirds, Persian folklore's Simorgh and Homa's healing powers, Norse folklore's Huginn and Muninn attuning humanity to listen, the mimicking lyre birds of Australia echoing forth paths of eons, birds of a different feather, Daedalus and Icarus, fall from hither, the eagle and the condor's prophecy of our times, two birds and the tree of life, branches of deeply rooted stories, the mythelium entwined, vessels, confluence of song, carried by the winds, divine and concur, remembering what we've heard, beaming, we're more than words, intuitively in accord.